Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, first I'm going to give you guys an update on my Black Opal experience, and then I'm going to give you guys all the details about a scholarship. So if you guys want to know about when Black Opal came to my campus and I took over the Instagram page and I got free makeup and a giveaway, then stay tuned, as well as know how I can apply these products in a makeup tutorial. Or if you want to know how you can get $1,000 or $500 in a scholarship, girl, just go ahead and subscribe right now and then stay tuned. So this video is sponsored by Black Opal because a couple weeks ago I got the opportunity to do the Black Opal experience, which is where Black Opal came to my college. They came to Spelman and Clark, Atlanta, and it was really great. They were giving out free makeup products, and they also had this glam school where I was the model. So it was a hands-on makeup class with a professional makeup artist, and I loved her. Her name is Charlene. She was super nice. I do have a vlog of it coming up, but you guys know I'm really behind on my vlog, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, so the vlog is going to come up in the future, and in that basically she taught us how to use all these different products that Black Opal sent us. So Charlene used a variety of all these different products to create a really like natural bronze and glowy look, and I'm actually going to do a tutorial for you guys because I created this really cute, it was like this spring slaying, I did like faux freckles, and it was bronzy, but it was, I don't know, it was different. So I'm gonna enter that in right now just to show you guys how I use the products, and then we'll get into the scholarship giveaway. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by taking the Black Opal Invisible Oil Blocking Pressed Powder. I've been loving this. You guys can't even see, but I've been using it every day and it doesn't leave a dent. I'm just gonna take a regular fluffy brush just to set the primer that I put on my lid. I'm gonna put this all over. Next, I'm going to add more of a bronzy orange shade and put that in my upper crease. Next, I'm going to add a matte brown, deep brown shade into my crease. And then for this look, I'm going to put it on my inner and my outer corner. I'm gonna go back in with that fluffy brush and blend out the edges. Then I'm gonna add a matte shell color to my brow bone and my inner corner. And I'm gonna go back again and blend that out. Next, I'm going to take my Black Opal True Color Illuminating Stick. This is in the color 220 Bronze Glow, and I'm going to use this right in the middle, in the center of the eyes, and this will just add like a pop of shimmer. Then I'm going to add an equally bronzy, kind of like orange brown shade right on top of that. And it complements the brown really well. And because we put down that base, this color is going to pop. But I'm keeping it right in the center of my lid. Next, I'm gonna go back with that deep brown and carve out my crease in my inner and outer corner one more time. And then after I blend again, I can add liner and lashes. Moving on to the face, we're gonna start off with the Black Opal Invisible Oil Blocking Gel Primer. This one is my favorite. I love this primer so much. I use it every single day. Then we're ready to add the foundation of your choice all over your face. Next, you can go in with some concealer. Once that's all blended, you can go back in with your bronze glow stick and add this to the high points of your cheeks. and I like to use a stippling brush to blend it out. Next, we're gonna go back into the invisible oil blocking powder. I'm gonna take a flat brush and then mainly set it underneath my eyes and my smile lines and my nose. Then I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and dust the rest around my face, just to set it. Make sure it doesn't move. Next, we're gonna add a little bit more color to our face with contour and bronzer. I'm gonna go in a little bit more with this stick bronzer, add a little bit of shine to my high points. I'm also going to add some bronzer to my nose area because it makes it look really cute when you're doing the freckles. It makes you look like you're sun-kissed. Okay, I know I literally look like I've been burnt by the sun, but it comes really cute once you add the, oh, before I do that, I'm gonna add a little bit of cream highlighter over top of this one. You wanna put the cream highlighter on before you do the freckles because you'll move the freckles around if you do it afterwards. And then before we add the freckles, I'm just gonna dust and blend everything away. This is the same brush that had the invisible blotting powder on it. Next, I'm gonna take like a gray type matte color like this right here, and I'm gonna take a really skinny eyeliner brush like this and add my freckles. From here, I'm gonna take the powder brush again, and then I'm gonna start stippling it on my face. It basically makes it look less drawn on. Okay, the last step is a lip. I like to start off with like a matte brown color. So if you like it matte, you can leave it like this, or you can add some lip gloss. I like the Black Opal Color Surge Patent Lips. This is in the color Copper Tone, and I'm just gonna add this right to the center. Like so. And the last step is to spray it all down. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you're gonna recreate it down below. If you do, please tag me and Black Opal. And thanks again, Black Opal, for sponsoring this video. Now, probably for the moment that you guys have all been waiting for, the scholarship opportunity. Thank you so much to IvyPanda for collaborating with me for this scholarship. So IvyPanda is giving away 2 scholarships. One is a $1,000 prize and the second is a $500 prize. So this scholarship is really great because you don't have to write a boring essay. Instead, you can do what you love doing right now, which is watch videos, except for you have to make a video. So you guys know how I'm always talking to you about my ups and my downs, my trials and tribulations here at college. So basically, in order to enter into this scholarship, you have to create your own creative video. In this video, you should be talking about your challenges as a student or just your life challenges in general. You guys know I talk to you all the time about my struggles as far as getting my car towed, getting my license suspended, I don't know, a million different horrible things that always happen to me, losing my car, you know. Make a video like that and then you could possibly be one of the 2 lucky winners. So the applications will be open from May 15th at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until June 15th, 2018, that is midnight Eastern Standard Time. So you have 1 month to make and enter a video, but you can start making your video now and then get ready to upload it on May 15th. Also, IvyPanda is really big on nature, and so for every 1,000 views that a participant gets on their video, they will plant a tree. So it's a really cool scholarship opportunity. I'm so glad that they reached out to me to let you guys know about this. If you want to enter, all of the guidelines and the requirements will be in the description box down below, as well as a link for you guys to go to the website where you will upload your video, or you can learn more about IvyPanda and why they want to give this scholarship away. And I hope you guys enter it because I cannot wait, and I really hope that one of my double majors wins, and that way you can be like, I got the scholarship because of Brelynn. I would have like, yes, that's my girl or my guy. And by the way, ignore my voice. I don't know what's going on. I sound like a husky man. But that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and you follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat and Facebook and everywhere else. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.